let's just say that Walking Dead is back. What is up, YouTube? This is Joel2TV, back with more for you to see, and today I actually just wanted to do a quick update and kind of like fill in why I didn't do like a super creative video today. Today is day 7. Day 7 is a huge accomplishment, man. It's been, like I said in the last video, it's been 2 years that I've been on Joel2TV. And it's been absolutely an amazing experience. You guys have been amazing. The support has been amazing. And through everything, with getting my degree, my college degree, to doing a whole bunch of things with my career and life and family, you guys have been there for it all. And I love just sharing these moments with you guys, just sitting down and talking sometimes, and showing you my sneaker collection and all that kind of stuff. And I love doing this, and I absolutely love Joel2TV and everything that you guys are a part of. But I really couldn't do most of this stuff without you guys. You guys are the driving force behind it. The little comments and stuff like that, those are the things that keep me going, and you guys keep me focused. Today's video, as day 7 of 31 days of video. Instead of me going out and filming today, I actually just kind of wanted to enjoy my day and just relax and just chill out for a second, and I got to do that today. But I had to come back to work and talk to you guys for a second and fill you guys in, because you guys are my bosses. I was actually gonna go out and film today, but I was in kind of like a bad vibe because I went to go into my drone case and I saw this. Right here is a Phantom 3 standard edition DJI drone, and below here are usually like little springs that you hold this gimbal into place so that the camera doesn't fall off and it becomes shock resistant, so that when it's flying it doesn't like get super vibrating. But in this case, I don't know how, I don't know why, I don't know when this happened, but look at that. I don't know if you guys can really see it, but right here, like all of the screws and the shock repellent things kind of came out, and this is how I found my drone. This wasn't something that I did, it was just in my case, and this is how it was. And it kind of made me upset because I haven't used it since maybe January, and that's like 10 months. And I don't know how this happened. I don't know if somebody touched it in the house. I don't know if it just was weird, because all of the shock resistant screw things were just missing, like they weren't even in my case. So it was just kind of weird, and it kind of threw me in a bad mood. And it's not like it cost a lot of money to fix it. It's like $2 or $10 for the little replacement pieces, but it just got me in kind of a bad mood, because it just was like, why is my equipment being touched? Or you know, it just was weird. It was just a weird situation. Maybe it was me. That's why I'm not gonna sit here and accuse anybody, but it just was weird that I go into my case and, you know, my drone is just out of place. Like, if this was damaged, this is something that I probably would have taken care of on the dot, because, you know, I care about my drone and my equipment. So I don't know, it just threw me in like this whole mix. Maybe it was just me, I misplaced some of the pieces, or maybe when I took it out for a fly like almost a year ago or something like that, maybe somebody that was helping me out just like, I really don't know. So it just kind of threw me off and just got me in this whole state. Not to make this a whole down kind of video, but I just wanted to give you guys an update of like the classes that I'm taking. Right now I'm actually taking cinematography classes, and in the cinematography class and lighting class that I'm actually taking, I'm learning a lot about like the techniques and things that I can be using actually on my channel, which is pretty huge. And from time to time for these videos, I'm going to actually show you guys the behind the scenes of what I'm working on, or you know, some test footage from our super high quality cameras. So I think it's pretty dope, and I'm gonna give you guys like a quick behind the scenes. It's gonna be pretty fun. I just want to do a quick update, and that, you know, I want you guys' input. Like, what else can I be doing as the content creator? Like, what can I do to make you guys that much more happier? What kind of content do you expect from me is kind of what I'm looking for. So if you guys can help me out in any ways, please go ahead and let me know down below. And yeah, today's day 7. Thank you guys for being along for this process, and thank you guys for watching. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and please be sure to share Joel2TV.